the Honourable Minister for Local Government, Housing and Environment, Infrastructure and Transport, Honourable Ministers, Marine and Civil Solutions, distinguished guests, my fellow Fijians. It gives me great pleasure to be here, to officiate at the new Qarani Jetty, one of the 3 projects that I will be commissioning today. Ladies and gentlemen, the completion of this jetty is another milestone delivered by my government in unlocking the development potential of our rural and small island communities to enable ordinary Fijians to benefit economically. And today I'm proud as your Prime Minister to be here to unlock the development potential of Gau by officially opening this new, strongly built jetty to transform the lives of all of you. Fiji's outer islands, such as Gau and its neighbors, possess significant natural resources. There are many opportunities for forestry, fisheries and agriculture, as well as tourism. But until now, the problem is access. These islands have been isolated for that potential to be unleashed, and they have not had the necessary infrastructure. Subsistence agriculture is the mainstay of the economies. What income people do earn is mainly generated from cash crops, cash sales of crops, kava and fish, the same items that make up the trade with other islands. This new jetty will open up this remote area of Fiji. It will, for the first time, provide an adequate loading and unloading facility that will cut down on transportation costs, reduce the time it takes to handle cargo, increase the frequency of shipping services, and make travel to and from Gau much more convenient. This jetty is future-proof for a berthing capacity of 10,000-ton vessels at the front face and 2,000-ton conventional berth. It spans 190 meters in length with a jetty head and landing area of 427 square meters. It can accommodate roll-on, roll-off vessels, just like the ones that ferry between Vitilevu and Voreqe. It also has provisions for small fiber boats to access the jetty. All these means new opportunities for commerce and enterprise. Products grown, caught or created here can now more easily be brought to market elsewhere in the country. And goods from elsewhere can be more easily be brought here. Today I'm also opening a new ice plant to help local fishermen explore new fishing opportunities and expand their commercial activity. It is infrastructure such as this that generates opportunities for your gain, and I encourage you to take advantage of the trading opportunities, not just for the local market, but also for overseas markets. Ladies and gentlemen, it has taken some time to provide you with a proper jetty, and I want to thank you for your patience as you make the best of a challenging situation traveling to and from the island. Today I'm also commissioning a district office here in Qarani, and this means access by the people of Gau to the opportunities offered by my government. These are opportunities to access services available to your fellow Fijians on mainland. These are major development projects in one of the remotest parts of Fiji, and I believe this investment will bring huge benefits to all of you. I hope to use this opportunity to further develop the local economy and bring yourselves closer to your fellow Fijians and the rest of the world. I want to thank the Fiji Roads Authority and both the construction teams from Pacific Marine and Civil Solutions and the designer engineers from MWH for constructing a jetty that will do so much for the people of Gau and Lomaiviti.
Kalondina Onisalawa Navukailagi. Nakatulong sa tingin ng mga sandal na wawang Qarani. Naburu-buru ni kelong at nguraramba. Naka.
Sa tunggu na raw ni Voreqe. Lalu kami misangga secara dari belok ke kuah. Rentolang ko sabar taga sarila ko kolis. Lakukan di bicile bulis talmai. Kina ni memyan.
Dendre iliu ni dawarak nawang. Nangai kel tu mai vikor-kor ngai aga mai. Nabira na singa mi kema ngai bondo tu lak tu. Kema mi bondo lak tan mi anu natale. Ran singa tolu se vira sindor madasar. Ya isu. Yang ko sa ora pekeman.